love this piece, yeah. Very beautiful brick color. Can you please tell me what this piece is about?
So this is a cohort set. It also comes along with the bottoms, and this is made in hammered satin. So we mostly deal in hammered satins, silks, cotton silks,
This is
and
quite
these are all
smooth as well.
yes, it is. So these are all hand embroidered.
Oh, must be, people must be taking good care of this because it is so
Like, they are
delicate.
very delicate fabrics, so we mostly recommend customers to dry clean them because it is it's embellished and
Right.
the fabric is very delicate. Yes.
Oh, makes a lot of sense. See, I always get my hands on the most premium of pieces, and that is why I am at Khan Market at Chic, which is giving me a very chic vibe. As you can already see, the store is full of vibrant clothing from you, and of course, it also takes care of your comfort. So there are a lot of pieces that you can try with these beautiful colors and handcrafted embroidery, as Miss rightly stated. You are Miss.
I'm Pompey. I'm the store manager. in
Okay,
Khan
so we
Market
have
here.
the store manager also, who's named Pompey. A very unique name, I must
Thank
say.
you so much.
So yeah, so Pompey, tell me more about the collection that you guys have. This one was really pretty. I am seeing a very similar one. This is also a coat set.
This one we have like matching pants along with
Okay.
it, so I can show you how you can pair it up together. So this also has this really beautiful embellishment. here.
Beautiful.
So now the
Yeah.
festive season's coming, so the bright colors are
Absolutely.
in.
Navratra, then we have Diwali.
That's
So
true.
specifically,
So this is-
even I think for someone who has an event in their home, somebody who is fond of wedding festivities and they want something very light.
Right.
So I think they can go for this. And what's the pricing?
So this set, like it's individually priced. This is for 7,500 and this is for 4,000. But right now we're also running like 10% off on the fresh arrivals and 30% on our all the collections. And also you get an additional 5% off on the entire bill of about 5,000 rupees.
Oh wow, that is great. I mean, I am definitely going to shop. I don't know about you guys. I love the intricate embroidery they've done on the piece, yeah, to make this is subtle, yet at the same time it's giving that entire festive vibe. So what else do we have? So these are the cord sets. I can see is this like a shrug?
This is one of our classic style. So you can also
See,
see
I always tend to run
a lot
classic.
of like simpler styles, like something like this, which is
Oh.
made in Harbour-Tie silk.
Okay.
These are also one of our hot sellers. Really elegant pieces. You can also.
I love the colors. They are very breezy, especially for summers. Because in summers you want the fabric to be really comfortable because it gets so sweaty and you just want something to not stick to your skin, but at the same time makes you feel good. So I think it's that feel-good factor. What would be the price range of this?
This is for 4,500 and it's also on 10% off. So 4,050 would be your final price.
Great, man. I'm actually intrigued by the prices now, and it's tempting me to shop. So Pompey, tell me about this hot seller of yours.
So this is made in Nirvana crepe. Again, 7,500, but this is on 30% off.
Oh, la la.
5250 is the final price for this.
Amazing. And what is this embroidery that they have done?
So this is a leaf embroidery, and also these are again all hand embroidered.
So
very
this is a
delicate
set or this
pieces.
is like a solo piece?
So it's a solo piece, but we have really beautiful pants to go with it.
Oh,
So you can
okay.
either do like a gold tulip pants. These are
Oh.
hot seller tulip pants, or you can do a black and black. Usually people like it's festive season, so you
Right,
can
right.
do like a bright gold
Bright color,
or
right.
if you want to keep it like
You want to be a Dementor on
Yes.
Valentine's Day? Then this is also your go-to.
this is a beautiful set. It's
Yeah.
a hot seller again.
And how much do the pants cost?
These are for 2,500 each, and they are hot sellers, so they never come on discount.
Oh, right. See, but 2,500 for amazing pants and this piece, I think it's worth it. Yeah, especially if you're shopping from a brand like Chic and you wanna look chic. Come on, yeah, that is something that you should do. Anyways, we have. Oh, I love the print. Please tell me more about this.
So again, this is made in cotton silk, and you can see it's like a beautiful Indian print.
Absolutely, I can see the
So
the
name
entire
of this print is Indian accent.
right
So
because it has a bit of that Rajasthani texture
That
with
is
all
true.
the art and scriptures that we find.
and it goes beautifully with our tulip pants again. You can also pair it up with
Right,
this,
absolutely.
or you can pair it up with your denims or anything like, you know. So it's a
Guys, do
really
let me know how
beautiful
it's looking.
piece.
I am finding it so cute. Like, I love, especially as a girl, I love the rainbow that they've created in this piece. How much is this?
This is for 3,500, but this is on 30% off. So 2,450 is your final amount for this.
Great, man. I'm just loving the prices. I think I'm obsessed with this store. I just want to buy everything. Wow, this piece is just, I don't have words, yeah. I'm for the first time I think I'm in my life, I'm speechless. This is such a elegant and subtle look, especially with the Indian fusion, Indian come modern fusion, I would say, with the sleeves. Please tell me more about this piece.
So this is again made in hammered satin, so you can see the texture of the fabric. So it has
very
this
soft.
crumpled effect,
Yeah.
and it's very soft and, you know, skin friendly fabric, and this beautiful, like, very.
The embroidery is what caught my eye first, especially the color yellow. This is I think a bit bright yellow, but still on the bit of.
It's like very festive, very
yeah,
Indian. Now that the festivities are coming, so this is a really beautiful color for
Absolutely.
this. You can wear it to your like haldi functions or any Diwali functions.
So I want to ask you, since it's already crumpled, so that is the entire
That's the
gender of the
texture,
fabric, so you don't need
yes.
to press it.
So we recommend steam ironing only because we need to maintain this texture.
Absolutely. Amazing. And what would be the pricing of this piece?
This is again 7,500 and 30% off. So 5,250. Our prices are very
5,250.
reasonable.
Oh my god, I'm in love with this piece. Okay, moving on to this. Ooh, I love some florals. Me love florals. Look at this.
So this is our Amaltas collections. You can, as you can see, these are the Amaltas flowers.
Right,
So
right.
the original color is in the yellow, but we've also made it in the pink.
Oh, wait. Let me get the yellow as well. This
That's
is
the original Amaltas.
beautiful. So you can see the two colors. Very vibrant. So tell me more about these pieces.
So these are
When you
made
say
in,
they are made from the real Amaltas.
semi-georgette. I mean, like, this is not real Amalta. I mean, the print is
Right.
Amaltas. So these are made in semi-georgette fabrics, and they price at 3,000, and again 10% off, 2,700.
2,700, and you get these beautiful vibrant pieces. I am pretty sure you're missing out. You should just bag these. I love the fact that they are so intricately created. It almost feels like I'm wearing flowers and I'm
That's
being
true.
really real. And you can definitely, you know, pair them with your denims, black, white, and you know the one that I'm wearing, the classic denims. So definitely come to chic and inspire yourself with these chic fits, man. I'm just engrossed. I love the color contrast that you guys have done with the gray and pink. Now this is something that I don't find usually. So tell me more about this piece. What is the speciality?
So this is made in Russian silk fabric, and it's a co-ord set. So you get the entire set in like the 6,200 rupees, and we have another, like, we have more color options in this. As you can see, a beautiful emerald green as well.
Beautiful.
So
Absolutely.
this is also a two-toned co-ord set, and we have another color here.
Amazing. I'm actually intrigued by the variety that you have. And what would be the pricing of this?
So this would cost you 6,200. That's the MRP, and with 10% off, it comes up to 5,580.
5580. Amazing. I'd like to ask you one thing. Since you stated this is silk, so will it be okay if I wear it outside in summers? Will it not kind of,
So
you know?
this kind of fabric is generally like if you're in an AC hall, like this has embroidery in it and something. So like this is for more like, you know, when you're inside AC halls,
Right,
or like
right.
now this.
Absolutely.
slight winter is
When
coming,
you're
so that's
visiting
also,
an
yeah.
event or you're
For
attending a
some
family
event,
gathering,
a dinner,
so
or maybe a
Absolutely.
cocktail, so you can totally use these pieces.
So you heard the lady. This is an absolutely beautiful piece that you can carry, but make sure that you know it. If you are allergic to silk, then you should definitely not go for such outfits. You should go for more breathable outfits. Like they also have other options. Like we saw that beautiful floral shirt as well. But all in all, I'm in love with the piece. I just love the integrated embroidery that these guys have done. Like this one in grey. This almost looks like. Something that you could actually carry out on, you know, wedding festivities like mehendi, especially, or you know those cute parties that you have before the wedding. So, what is this piece about?
So this is again made in Russian silk. We have another color option also, which is a beautiful
Ooh,
emerald
bottle
green.
emerald
So
green.
you can
Yes.
see the main focus is on
The-
the
the-
embroidery here.
yes.
Yes. So the rest we have kept it very simple. It's a kaftan style sleeves.
Right.
So it's very different.
It's very
like it's not your
flowy,
regular.
it's very
yeah.
easygoing. I love how all your outfits just make me feel so comfortable because usually when we go for outfits, we imagine those tight dresses and
Yeah,
you
so
kind of
chic is-
lose that
That
comfort.
is true. So chic is all about like comfortable, like very relaxed fit clothings and very modest. Yes.
Absolutely. Oh, this is really, again, I'm seeing this piece. Beautiful. This is also a shirt.
Yes, this is a shirt.
A long
we have
shirt,
two
I would say.
colors in this at the moment. So this
Black's
is-
my
yeah.
favorite. Oh my god. And especially
It
the
has
pearl embroidery
beautiful
that they
pearl
have.
embroidery,
Just
yes.
killing it, man. This is a game changer. You literally can get inspired from these outfits. I'm not even kidding. And they make you feel so good. So what is the highlight of this piece?
So this is made in linen crepes, and this is a very comfortable fabric. Like people who don't want to wear silk and like for functions, they can still be comfortable in the fabric and they can still have a bit of embroidery. So like this is linen crepe.
This is
and-
giving a very cool vibe as well.
Yes, that is true. So
Yeah.
you will be very comfortable. Plus, you can also get a little, embroidered piece because a lot of people are not comfortable in satins or other
Right,
fabrics.
right,
But they
right.
still want something fancy for an event or a party. So this is the piece for them.
And what will be the pricing?
So this is for 4,500 and 30% off 3,150.
Amazing, guys. You can literally shop from here, and these pieces will make you incredibly, क्या कहते हैं उसको यार कि ये बस आप आओगे एक बार आपको इतनी सारी चीजें पसंद आ जाएंगी and you'll just grab them and you'll go. So I love the one behind you. It's very vibrant. Is this like a summer frock or like
this
a
is
robe?
our latest collection. So this is a jumpsuit.
Oh, I was wrong.
This is a jumpsuit and it comes along with a shrug. So,
Okay. You want me to help you out?
Sure, since you're tall. So it has a drawstring, so you can either tie it or you can leave it loose. It looks really wonderful. If you want a detailed, if you
Right.
want, you can check our mannequin also.
Oh,
mannequin
okay.
has
The
entire
mannequin
look,
has it
so you'll
there,
have a better
but
idea of how
yes.
to style it.
Absolutely. And so this is the shrug that we can carry, and if
Yeah.
you want, we can just kind of
Yeah, and you
know.
can wear it separately also when you're wearing your denims or like a
right.
tank top, and on top of that you can style it in different ways. as well.
Beautiful. I just love the piece because this is a very cool color, and the prints that they have done, it's quite artistic, I would say. What's the price range for this piece?
So this is again 7,500 and it's a fresh arrival. We have just launched it.
Oh, okay. What was the fabric that you mentioned?
It's Habutai silk.
Oh, silk.
So it's
It
again
doesn't
made in
feel like silk at all, though. It's so
Yeah.
soft.
I know. So it's Habutai silk. That's the.
So this is the
keyword as well.
new hot launcher that you need to check out. The glitz and glam. Oh my god, oof! I'm getting the hots in here. So चलते हैं आगे भी बहुत सारी collection है यार. अभी यहीं पे खत्म कर देंगे तो कैसे चलेगा? Oh wow! Tell me more about this piece. This
that's
is
a-
again a very beautiful. I love the color blue. You can see from my outfit.
That is
yeah.
true. And blue looks great on you.
It looks great on you too.
This is my uniform, but yeah.
Okay, so this is, I think, a very seed sort of blue, like different
Yes,
textures,
it's a very
mixtures.
fresh color. You can see it's like and
Man, this is an art canvas. Like somebody decided they'll just throw some paint, they'll make some big art out there, and then with this piece turned out this majestic beauty. So
Chic is known for their prints, like because this all are like exclusive
Signatures,
prints, signature
right.
prints, and this is made in cotton silk material, so very breathable, very summer
Right.
friendly fabric.
So what's the pricing for this piece?
Again for 3,500, and this is on 10% off, so you can get it for 3,150 rupees.
Ching chang! Come here and grab your piece now. Okay, so I think we've seen a lot of shirts. We've seen a lot of jumpsuits and cord sets. So I'd like to progress a bit further into something more unique because chic is known for its uniqueness. Oh, I love this piece. Is this like a Indian ethnic wear?
Yes, and again you can pair it up with our tulip pants go with almost everything.
And
so you
what is this exactly? This is a suit.
So it's
like
it's
I think
actually
it's
it's just like
coordinated.
it's
Yeah.
attached together, but it just gives it the look that you're wearing a jacket on top.
Absolutely. I think in my entire career, I haven't seen anybody do this. Like with the like something as unique as this, like pairing it and then going off with it, because usually it's such a hassle because you have
That
to
is
wear it
true.
first and then beautiful. The color is also very vibrant. So these tulip pants, which are absolutely not for sale, they have very fixed pricing,
Yes,
guys.
but still,
These
like,
these will go absolutely perfect with this. I think they made it specifically so that you could curate these pants with this piece. So this and the pants, they're made for each other. What will be the pricing of this piece?
so this is for 75, 30% off again, 5250, and if you combine it with the pants, just for 7750 rupees.
Amazing. So I'll tell you one thing. आपकी हल्दी हो या आपकी कोई मेहंदी सेरेमनी हो, because वैसे usually ये कलर जो है हल्दी पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. This is, I think this has got you covered. एक तो this is very elegant yet subtle. Like it's not going too over the top. So I'm loving this piece. Also this dress. Oh my god. Tell me more about this. I'm fangirling.
So this is something
Beautiful.
like Chic has done a little different this time, because as you have seen our
Right,
other collections,
right.
our collections are
Absolutely.
very modest and like very like but this one we have like done something different this time. We just tried to go with a little summer like,
Dress,
vibe.
yeah, the
So
vibe.
it's short, it's cute, it's chic, very girly.
Absolutely. All your pieces are so airy, no? I feel like just discarding my own wardrobe and just shopping from Chic, because honestly, I think it's high time we understand that fashion does not mean that you have to be all tied up in a I would say bodycon dress, or maybe you have to always look perfect. It's also about what makes you comfortable, and Chic plays that role. So this outfit is very, very pretty. I love the color contrast that they've done, and especially because they're known for the prints. What will be the pricing of this piece?
So this is for 4500, and again there's a 30% off in this. So 3150 will be your final price.
So, I love the color pink, and this is absolutely giving me those Barbiecore vibes. I feel like I'll be an Indian Barbie in this. So tell me more about this piece and the speciality, because
So this is again Nirvana crepe, like the black piece that we had seen. So this is for 5500, and again there's a 30% off in it. Yes. Don't ask me the price right now.
no issues, but I think we've got the fair idea that all these pieces are too beautiful, too delicate, and you should definitely come and check out their collection. I'm loving this piece, and
It's also available in another color. That's
oh,
white,
white.
just right behind
We also
it.
have white in this, so you have two colors which are very vibrant. And see, the embroidery grows really well. I love the golden on both the colors. Okay, we have this dress as well. Royal blue. Very beautiful. I love the silver that they've done on top of the collar. Very subtle. See, you can also see it on the sleeves. What is this piece?
So this is again made in satin, and this retails for 7500, and there's a 30% off again on this.
Oh, very, very beautiful. So if you want something that is not too over the top but still makes you stand out, you look elegant in this, then you can definitely wear it on your official, events, or maybe a cute date that you're planning to go on. So this is beautiful. Do you also have like a range of sizes? Like
Yes, we have from extra small to double XL, and we follow American sizes. So our size is generally a little bigger than the other brands.
Right,
yes.
makes sense. So that I could see, and wow, I love the color lavender here. This is beautiful. What is this piece?
So that's again a co-ord set. You can see it comes along with this harem style pants,
Ooh.
made in hammered satin again. So
Beautiful.
it's a harem style.
What's the pricing for this piece?
So this is again for 30% off, 5250. 7500 is the MRP, and 5250 after the discount.
Amazing. So I'd like to ask you one question. Are there any precautions we need to take, because this piece looks really delicate?
So as you can see, like it's embroidered and it's in hammered satin, so it's already very delicate. So only dry cleaning.
Only
is-
dry clean and the
steam iron.
Steam iron.
Yes.
Perfect. So we also have another color here.
That's teal blue.
Yes,
We also
that's
had an
teal
olive
blue.
green, which was a hot seller. We sold out on all the pieces.
That
Yeah.
sucks. See, they're getting sold so fast. I'm telling you, guys, this store is the hidden gem in Kham Market. आओ यहाँ पे फटाफट इनकी कलेक्शन ले लो, वरना ऐसी सोल्ड आउट हो जाएगी. So we have another piece. This is very beautiful. This is giving. Oh, I feel like Bharat Mata ki Jai. The patriotic, the brick color.
The colors, yes.
Yes. And this is not the vibrant, you know, what is this called in Punjabi? Jatka nahi hai. This is very subtle. It's
That's
giving
true.
that elegant. And I feel like all the colors that you have put out here, they have a very good color contrast. So hats off to you guys.
Thank you
And again, what is with the piece? I love the work that
So
they've
the
done
main
here.
thing is like it's made in satin, and this is the highlight of it. The neck part, you don't
Right,
have to wear
right.
like any neck pieces with it. Just some nice, you know, statement earrings, and you're good to go.
राइट तो आपने देखो जो आपने ड्रेस पे खर्चा किया वो खर्चा इन्होंने आपकी ज्वेलरी पे ना करने से आपको बचा लिया सो व्हेन यू वेयर दिस पीस यू डोंट इवन हैव टू बाय अ नेक पीस दिस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन लाइक द बेल्ट इटसेल्फ ऑन द नेक इज very heavily embroidered. Love it, just love it. I think I need to call my mom and tell her that I've gotten something for Independence Day that
You
I'll be
should
buying.
definitely do that.
Oh, and I was getting very real when I said that because look at the color. Again, green. Beautiful. So, oh, wow. What is this? Is this like a sari?
So this is again harem style. Sorry, should I?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
This is again like a harem style dress. This is something like very unique that Chic has done, and you can see it's a very delicate fabric.
Right. So this is harem style, but it's looking so much like a sari. So it's giving that
because of
flowy
the
vibe.
drape,
Yeah.
and this is a scarf
Yeah.
which you can carry it separately also, but
Right.
it gives like very like boho kind of
boho
vibes.
type vibes, yes. And this will look so good with those long heavy earrings.
That is true. Just an earring, nothing on the neck,
Right.
and it looks really really.
I think
classy.
people are going into minimalist fashion now.
That is very
so this is the trend these days. And definitely there's nothing wrong with it because when you have a delicate piece like this, you don't need much to put or accessorize because the piece itself speaks for itself. So yes, this is it. What will be the pricing of this?
This is again for 7,500 and 30% off. So 5250.
I think
most
बहुत
of
ही
that.
reasonable range है आपकी considering you have a place in Khan Market.
That is
So I'm loving it. And I'm pretty sure the viewers will too. Oh, I love this. This is also very cute. I feel like I'm in, some sort of, what do you call it? Poly princess. Like, those poly princess dresses that make you feel so good. You feel like a princess. So this is so pretty. This is all print.
This is all print, and this is made in Georgette again. And the best part is this is on 50% off. It's
Oh.
flat 50, so 2250 only.
Amazing. I love the piece. This is definitely good for summers if you want to stand out, especially because these vibrant colors really make people look at you twice. Arey, ye kaun gaya? So yes, there's that. And then you have these beautiful, beautifully intricate kurtas. What is the pricing range for this?
So this is a pure cotton. You can see it's and this is on 50% again. So 3,000 rupees only. So
Beautiful.
it was priced at 6,000, and after discount only for 3,000.
So we have two variations here. One you can see in blue and the other in pink. Let me know आपको कौन सा पसंद आ रहा है. मुझे दोनों ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I can't choose. Oh my god, I just love your collection. Thank you so much, Pompey. I had so much fun exploring the fashion that I truly love because I come from a place where I really value comfort fashion, and you have such vibrant pieces. I'm pretty sure the viewers must have liked it too. It was a pleasure, meeting you and checking out this store.
It was lovely having you here as well. Thank you for visiting us, and I hope that you'll bring your family and friends to shop in a store soon.
Absolutely. Festivities, wedding, sabhi hone wala hai. So guys, stay tuned and we'll shop more. We'll shop till we drop, probably off the camera as well. Bye bye. See you again.